colors. You better wear that pink with them nice sexy heels. You better work it. Let's go. Look at that. She look about 32 to me. I don't think you deserve to on this runway. You in Spears, baby. Let's go, ladies. This is Fly by Lisa, Pioneer Avenue. You can wear tight fits, you can wear flow. We can be fully covered and still sexy. All right now, these are models in the industry around here. They're working it out. Lexus. You better shake what your mama gave you, baby. Nice and flowing. Stretching it up and stretching it down. Just do you. That looks very comfortable and elegant. Yeah. We say throw the runway. You better work it out with fun. All right, ladies. Give it up for these ladies, y'all. Encourage them. Let them work it out. She working them stripes. Don't have to wear no solid colors. You better wear them stripes. Nice, tall, and sexy. Walk away, baby. Walk away. That must be Lisa. Yeah, she is beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous queen. That is a one piece. Very colorful. Accentuated with gold accessories. With a nice old pin up.